Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Fan Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy California Maxi that comes as a diesel estate. If you have any further questions about this vehicle, then please direct them to a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's crack on with the video. So this lovely Caddy California Maxi comes in a metallic paint colour Starlight Blue. It is powered with a 2.0 TDi diesel engine and is accompanied with a DSG automatic gearbox, which is perfect for those short or even long journeys. As we move to the front of the vehicle, we have that lovely new 22 plate Caddy look with the mesh grille down at the bottom, along with some gorgeous headlights. This vehicle also features the front parking sensors, which display a coloured Park Pilot display system within the cab. Moving for a closer inspection to the wheels, this vehicle sits on the lovely 16-inch Ween alloys, which come in a multi-spoke design and really give a nice finish to this vehicle. Join me now as we'll explore the rear passenger area. The vehicle is on the move. There is a 3-seater passenger bench. And once you have reached your stopped location, behind there is a bed which folds down and is supported with 2 legs into the pillars located behind the driver and front passenger seats. As we move to the rear of the vehicle for another look, the vehicle also comes with black roof rails which provide additional options in terms of storage solutions. So again, once the desired stopping location has been achieved, 2 foldable chairs, a foldable table, single hob burner, as well as storage for kitchen utensils and kitchen items is provided. And we can take another look at that rear bed, which again provides additional comfort for a sleeping position. On the move again, all of this tucks away very nicely, along with 2 additional storage compartments on the left and right hand side. The bed folds up very nicely, as well as a compartment for the 2 foldable chairs. Taking a look at the rear tailgate now, this vehicle comes with lovely rear LED combination lights. And across the bottom of the rear bumper, this vehicle also comes with rear parking sensors that work with the front ones to provide a clear display on the coloured Park Pilot display system, helping you navigate those tight and tricky car parking spots. Joining me inside the cab, the controls for the electronically adjustable as well as heated wing mirrors. Controls are located on the driver's door card. The controls for this vehicle's lights are located to the right hand side of the steering wheel, where a tap of the mode button will switch between the different modes. Along with this, we also have a rear fog light, front and rear heated windscreen. This vehicle also comes with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, which allows the driver to completely customize their driver experience. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, the driver can use the buttons to select from a range of different options, which include but aren't limited to audio, media, vehicle settings, as well as driving data. Over on the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have the options for the assist settings, as well as a volume up and a volume down button. The vehicle also comes with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which also houses some controls for the vehicle status, where the driver can turn on and off start-stop, as well as view a few different vehicle settings. The infotainment system comes with inbuilt navigation, which also features a 3D Maps software, which is useful for identifying your current location and identifying where you want to navigate to. The vehicle also comes with a few different options on the 10-inch touchscreen. There are some buttons below to make accessing the different menus incredibly easy. There's one for the parking menu, which controls the parking sensors, as well as an assist button, which controls a vehicle tiredness or driver alert system. And we also have the front assist setting as well. The climate controls are also located on this button, where the driver can slide or tap the plus and minus buttons to control the temperature, as well as the fan speed and also air conditioning, which comes included in this vehicle. Beneath the 10-inch screen, there is a tray useful for holding coins or phones or other personal belongings, as well as a 12-volt and 2 USB-C outlets. This Caddy California comes with the new gear selector design, which is a very easy and nice and convenient feature to use and makes selecting the gears rather easy. Along with this, we also have an electronic parking brake as well as an auto hold function, which is useful in a variety of different situations. All seats in this vehicle come with the double grid cloth upholstery as well as carpeted floor interiors up front and for the rear passengers as well. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to conclude the 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy California Maxi. If you have any further questions, then please direct them to a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. If you like what you see in this video, then feel free to hit that like button, and to stay up to date with all of our latest stock, consider hitting that subscribe button as well. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.